Together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Singapore.
I've touched your soul, and then I knew you'd run away with me. I'm in your thoughts, and all you want is to lay down with me. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one.
Hey, wait then.
I've touched your soul, and then I knew you'd run away with me. I'm in your thoughts, and all you want is to lay down with me. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one for you. Thought you'd call, but you didn't, so I'm sitting here. Thought I heard my phone ring, but it disappeared. Guess I'm just losing my mind again. I told myself to breathe in, but the darkness hung its teeth in, and its mind has got me thinking. Sick and tired of feeling, so sick and tired of dreaming, 'cause I always wake up. Sick and tired of believing that this pain will ever end. Oh, I've had enough. Cause it always comes back again, and I'm not even gonna pretend that it's okay. Constantly putting bad thoughts on replay. I really don't like living life this way, but I know that these things will never change. Tell myself to breathe in.
What's the best? The best is our on the label side, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the name of the dog
have the
that
label
has
here.
the birthday today.
So,
If you want
thank you.
It's exciting.
Nice.
There you go.
Oh, she's so cute. Hello.
Today is her birthday.
How old?
4 years.
4. Oh. Hello. Oh. You're so cute. It was okay. It's a bit poor, like sherry poor. Yeah. Hello. Oh, you're cute.
Filipino food. Have you tried this food?
You nervous? You're so cute. I don't want to scare you.
Oh my gosh, they're so...
What breed do you think they are?
I think a mix.
Oh, hello.
They're
Scare them.
nervous.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Oh.
Changes.
You're very drunk in here.
How long does it take? How long does it take to make one?
Sorry? It's about 7 months.
7 months.
Yeah.
Wow.
And many people asking me how long it's fresh. How it means here is the bottling. Okay. It means this is.
That's so soft.
What it is. Yeah. Sorry. It's
Thank you.
Cause I always wake up sick and tired of believing that this pain will ever end.
Good morning from Sikihor. It is my last day here and I'm just having a very chill day because I have really badly sunburnt my bum. I think it's the worst sunburn I've ever had. It's a lot better today than it was yesterday, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah. I'm just walking to find an ATM as our local one. You can only get out 500 pesos. And that is not a lot. Like, I bought dinner last night and paid someone back. So I didn't have enough to pay for breakfast, so luckily our hostel's so nice. So yeah, I'm just heading off. It's about a 15-minute walk, which in this heat is a lot, and I've got to walk back. But yeah, I'll film a bit of the day, see what I get up to.
These ones are venomous shells.
Venomous.
Yes. All of them are venomous, and the thing is
I'm from England.
nice. And this one here, they call this one as uterus shell. Uterus.
Yeah.
Sea water, this one will grow.
Oh.
A string-like under shells. And this one here, we have the Mitras and the Costolaridae family. These ones are great hunters. Spring times mostly, we have a lot of crabs here.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do. Which ones? We
They-
call this one porcupine fish.
Yeah.
The only thing that is natural is the ice because we can preserve the ice.
Yeah.
And we these ones,
That's got venom.
yeah.
Oh, wow.
And this is the rare one in this family, that one.
It's pretty.
Yeah. And it's protected.
Yeah.
Here we have different kinds of turbo shells in here. Those ones at the back, they call that one as dolphin shells. And that huge one in there,
Yeah.
we call that one as green turbo. That
Yep.
is protected. You're not allowed to take those ones.
Yeah.
We have a lot of this in Palawan, somewhere in Mindanao.
Really?
Yes, these two are the only squids that have shells. Honest.
Wow. They're so vibrant.
Yeah. They have a lot of eyes, like 200.
Are you